C is a powerful programming language. It was created in the 1970s. Dennis Ritchie at Bell Labs developed C. It was used to build the Unix operating system. C is known for its speed and efficiency. C is a compiled language. This means you need a compiler to translate your code into machine language. C code is converted into instructions that a computer can understand. This makes C programs run very fast. C is a low-level language. This means it is close to the hardware of a computer. This gives programmers a lot of control. C is used to develop operating systems, embedded systems, and more. Learning C has many benefits for aspiring programmers. C is a fundamental language. Many other languages are based on C. Understanding C will make it easier to learn other programming languages. C is widely used in the industry. Many companies rely on C for software development. Knowing C opens up job opportunities in various fields. Learning C teaches you how software interacts with hardware. You gain a deeper understanding of computer architecture. This knowledge is valuable for debugging and optimizing programs. C is a powerful and versatile language. It allows you to build a wide range of applications. From simple programs to complex systems, C can handle it all. Variables are fundamental in C programming. Think of them as containers to store data. You create a variable by specifying its data type and giving it a name. For example, int age equals 25 declares an integer variable named age and assigns it the value 25. The int specifies that the variable will hold an integer value. Variables allow you to manipulate data in your programs. You can perform operations on variables such as addition, subtraction, and comparison. Variables are essential for storing user input, intermediate results, and more. C provides various data types to represent different kinds of data. Integers, floating point numbers, and characters are common data types. Integers are whole numbers without decimals. The int data type is used to store integers. Floating point numbers have decimals. The float and double data types represent floating point numbers. Characters represent single letters, numbers, or symbols. The char data type is used for characters. You enclose characters in single quotes like A or 5. C also has a special data type called void, which indicates the absence of a value. Section 5. Operators working with data. Operators in C allow you to perform operations on data. Arithmetic operators include plus, minus, asterisk, slash, and percent. These operators perform addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, and modulo operations, respectively. Relational operators compare values. Operators like double equals, not equals, greater than, or equal to, and less than or equal to check for equality, inequality, greater than, or equal to, and less than or equal to, respectively. Logical operators combine conditions. The operators double ampersand, double vertical bar, and exclamation mark are used to create logical expressions. Assignment operators assign values to variables. The equals operator assigns the value on the right to the variable on the left. Section 6. Control flow, making decisions. Control flow statements determine the order in which instructions are executed. The if-else statement allows your program to make decisions. The if statement checks a condition. If the condition is true, the code block within the if statement is executed. The else statement provides an alternative code block to execute if the condition is false. For example, you can use an if-else statement to check if a number is positive or negative. If the number is greater than 0, it's positive, otherwise it's negative. Section 7. Loops in C. Loops allow you to execute a block of code repeatedly. C provides for and while loops for iteration. The for loop is used when you know the number of iterations in advance. It consists of an initialization, a condition, and an increment or decrement operation. The loop continues as long as the condition is true. The while loop repeats a code block as long as a condition is true. The condition is checked before each iteration. For instance, you can use a for loop to print numbers from 1 to 10 or a while loop to read user input until a specific character is entered. Section 8. Example programs. Hash include int main / example1, adding two numbers int num1 equals sign 10, int num2 equals sign 20, int sum equals sign num1 plus num2, printf sum of %d and %d is %d and num1, num2 sum. Example 2, checking if a number is even or odd, int number equals sign 7, if number %2 equals sign 0, printf %d is even and number, else printf %d is odd and number. This program demonstrates basic arithmetic and decision-making in C. The first part calculates the sum of two numbers. The second part determines if a number is even or odd using the modulo operator. Section 9, Conclusion, Your Journey begins. This essay introduced the fundamentals of C programming. We explored variables, data types, operators, control flow, and loops. C is a powerful and versatile language that forms the foundation of many other programming languages. Learning C equips you with valuable skills and opens doors to exciting opportunities in the world of software development. Embrace the journey of learning C, and you'll be amazed by what you can create. Remember to practice regularly, explore online resources, and never stop learning.